Welcome back, guys. We have used many techniques to split one cell into two, sometimes using the option text to column, sometimes using multiple formulas or functions, etc. etc. Today, I'm going to tell you how you can do this with just Power Query. It's very simple and straightforward. So let's move on into our data. Very simple. I've put some names here and I want to split this cell into two. So I'll go to data where I have my Power Query options, get data options. There are many options here that we can pull data in from. For example, from text, for example, from web, and for example, from range or table. We will select today range here and I will select OK. It will automatically fetch the information on your table, and it will offer me that I can also click my table has headers, because yes, my tables does have a header. I will click on OK, and the moment I will click on OK, it will convert this data into a table, and it will take me to Power Query options. So this is Power Query options. Here you can see on the top split column. When you click on the split column, it gives you many options here. For example, with positions, for example, with number of characters, etc., etc. I will use delimiter. Click on the delimiter, and when you will click on the delimiter, you can see it's offering as a default space, because each one of my I will say words at this point of time, two parts of the name, has a space in between, which is actually defining that I can split it into two. So I will use here space. I can use other options as well, comma, colon, equal sign, etc., etc. I can use other options, advanced options as well in this. We'll go with this space now. So I will select space and click on OK. The moment you will click on OK, it will make two kind of cells for you. I will rather give two names because it converted name one and name two as well. So I will change the names here. For example, first name I will change here if I can. Okay, double click on it. First name, and for example I will do last name here. So these are two parts of the name. Now my query is ready. I have split it successfully, my one cell into two. I will click on close and load it. The moment you will click on close and load, it will give you a new version, and it is split into two cells. Very simple, very convenient, very easy. Of course, Power Query had made a lot of things easy for us. So I hope, guys, you enjoyed it, and I really hope that you will practice this as well. If you're a first-time visitor, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I do share your comments in the comments section so that I can understand what else I should bring here for you to learn. Thank you very much for joining me today. I wish you all a good rest of the day. Stay safe and take care of yourself, and I look forward to see you very soon. Till then, ta-da.